Hey YouTube, I am back with another Nutrisystem review. I'm telling y'all, I have a bag full of Nutrisystem, of the new Nutrisystems. So hey, I'm gonna be giving you reviews. So this is another one, and this one is the Nutrisystem barbecue chicken pizza bowl. You have whole grain rotini pasta with diced chicken, rice, cauliflower, black beans, and corn toppings with barbecue sauce and cheese and a smoke flavor added. Okay. And then it is 240 calories, 6 grams of total fat, and 4 grams of dietary fiber. Okay, so I made some notes on this. Number one, okay, y'all ready for this? Let me tell you. This tastes so good that you don't even taste the cauliflower in the bowl. Okay, that's one. That's how good this is. You don't taste the cauliflower in that bowl. That's one. Like I said, it's very tasty. And number one, if you can compare this to any like pizza you get from your Pizza Hut, your Papa John's, your Howie's, or any other pizza place, if you can compare this to anyone, it compares to a Supreme pizza. That's what I'm saying. This is very comparable to a Supreme pizza in a way. And I put it in the microwave to warm it up, and I'll say put it on 3 minutes. It says 4.5 minutes, but I put it on 3 minutes twice, and I warm it up and it be done. Y'all, when I say this is good, this is good. And like I said with this particular one, you do not, and I'll say this, let me keep saying this, you do not taste the cauliflower. I did not know it was cauliflower until I just read the bottom layer under here. And like I'm saying, you do not taste the cauliflower. It tastes real good to me. If I can recommend anything, I would recommend this. This will be like a favorite. This is a purchase. This will be one of my favorites, one of my go-tos to like pick for my when I get my food. So yes, I love it. This gets 10 out of 10 stars. I do have one I just did not want to do the review for because I don't like the taste of it. So I might come back and do it. I might come back later and do it. But yeah, this is a pretty good. Like I said, I give it 10 out of 10 stars. So like I keep saying, you do not taste because you got that. Let me see. Because you have the black beans, corn toppings, barbecue sauce, and cheese. You do not taste that cauliflower up in here. So that's a pretty, if you got food up in here that can hide cauliflower and you have never tasted cauliflower before, that does it. That does it. So for my first time trying cauliflower rice, that's good. But y'all, that's all I have time for. And let me just always put this, I forgot to put it in the other video, but I will put it in here. These are not sponsored videos. I've been on, this will be 3 years of me being on the Nutrisystem and thing. I lost over 100 pounds and still losing. I will say this is a good alternative for, I mean, if you like Supreme pizza and you like, you want pizza, but this is a good one. So that's all I have time for, y'all. I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.